In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your transactions in QuickBooks Online, whether that means editing, voiding, or deleting them for better record keeping. To get started on this journey, the first thing you'll want to do is log in to QuickBooks Online. For a smoother experience, it's recommended that you use Google Chrome. So, go ahead and launch Chrome on your computer and head on over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, enter your username and password, check that you're entering the correct details to avoid any login errors, and click the login button to access your account. Now that you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate over to your transactions. On the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online, you'll notice options for expenses and sales. Depending on the type of transaction you're working with, click on either expenses or sales. After that, click on all expenses or all sales to be greeted with a comprehensive list of all your transactions. This view is where you'll perform most of the actions today. With your complete list of transactions in front of you, you'll now want to find the specific transaction you aim to edit, void, or delete. You have a couple of options here. You can utilize the search bar at the top to type in details that will help locate your transaction quickly. If you prefer, you can also scroll through your list until you pinpoint the transaction you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on that transaction to open it up. If your plan involves editing a transaction, you're now in the right place. You'll see various fields like date, amount, category, and vendor or customer information. Go ahead and make any necessary changes to these fields to correct or update your records. Once everything looks good, you have the option to click on Save and Close if you're done with your edits, or Save and New if you plan to immediately work on another transaction. There might be cases where instead of editing, what you really need to do is void a transaction. Voiding will keep the transaction in your records, but sets its financial impact to 0. To do this, ensure the transaction is open and locate the More option at the bottom of the window. Click on it and choose Void. When prompted, confirm your action by clicking Yes. Alternatively, if you need to completely remove a transaction, you'll choose to delete it. Remember, deleting entirely removes it from your records, so use this option cautiously. With the transaction open, once again click on More at the bottom and select Delete. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes when the confirmation box appears. Having made your changes, it's wise to verify that everything has been executed correctly. Navigate back to the All Expenses or All Sales section and double check to ensure the intended transaction has been edited, voided, or deleted according to your requirements. This verification step is crucial to maintaining accurate financial records. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing your transactions in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it simplifies your workflow moving forward.